What size level beam to span 16 feet with second floor bedroom above it?
Okay. Tell me a bit more about what's going on so we can help you best.
I have a 2x4 wall supporting 3 2x10 beam with 2x10 floor joist attached with joist hangers. I want to remove wall and have an opening 16-foot wide. I was going to remove 2x10 dug fir beam and replace it with 4 2x10 level to keep open floor plan.
Is there anything else important you think the structural engineer should know?
There is just an open bedroom above with no load-bearing walls. The house is a oversized cape.i biulted 30 years ago.
Hello. I can help. Is the wall parallel to the beam? Such that you are just making the opening larger?
It is between rooms. The wall is under exiting 2x10 dug fir beam. I want to remove it and have a clear span of 16 feet. I was going to install 4 2x10 level.
So the floor joists are perpendicular to the wall. Is there a wall above this wall to support the attic?
No.
No to which question?
There is no wall above beam. The floor joists are perpendicular to wall. Hello?
What is the joist length on each side of the beam?
14 feet.
That beam size is too small.
Then what size do you recommend?
4 1.75 inches by 11.25 inches or 3 1.75 inches by 11.875 inches, both 2.0 E level.
That is 3 inch and 3/4 x 12 inch.
It's 3 pieces, each one is 1.75 inches by 11.875 inches. The total size is 5.25 inches by 11.875 inches.
Okay, thanks.
No problem. I'm happy to help. Good luck with your project. Did you mean to give me a negative rating?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/ythi.